So I'm going to be lining the eye, and I'm using this carrot liner in black ink. From the outer corner of the eye, you can see how the eye is, okay? Now that is how I'm going to be starting. Can you see? Can you see that? So you just have to ensure that your hand is straight. Okay? And then you bring it all the way down here. Can you see that? You keep taking it one at a time, all the way to the front of the eyelid, one at a time, one at a time. And when you are done, you come all the way to the end here, and then you complete it. And then bring out a very sharp tail. Okay? This first slant. Now that is what guides you. The very first slant. You make the first slant, okay? If you understand the rules of lines, then you will be able to draw your liner perfectly. A lot of people still have issues with drawing very straight lines when it comes to eyeliner, okay? You can see how I'm taking it one at a time. You make a sharp outline here. Can you see that? So whether you are using a liquid liner or you are using a gel liner with a brush like this, always ensure you wing out like that. That is what gives your liner that beautiful look. Can you see that?